Alright. This is how you change the cabin filter. This is the size, or the right size for CRV Honda. I got this at Amazon. You can get it for cheap at Amazon. Cheaper than AutoZone, Walmart. Okay, let's do it. Alright. First, open your glove compartment. And there's a tab on the side. So you'd have to release this. It goes like this. So all you have to do is push it to release and squeeze this two sides of this compartment. Alright, so all you have to do is squeeze it. So when you squeeze it, it will unlock it. This is what you're looking for. This. So all you have to do is squeeze this side and this side. So squeeze here and squeeze right here. There you go. Open. Put that down, and there's the filter. Pull it out. And that's how it is. See? That's how all the dirt from the air get filtered. Get one of these. You get two, by the way, in one package. You get two. You get two in one package. Okay. Alright. There's an arrow right here, so you can follow which flow. But if you can check right here, you can see an arrow going down, so the airflow is going down. So you just follow the arrow going down. The arrow just going down. Okay. Just insert it. There you go. Tuck it in and put the top or the cap back. Make sure it snaps. Put the cabin and it will latch. And don't forget to put this back. There you go. Easy. Easy, and you save money by doing it yourself. Alright. Peace.